Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I am going to show you how to add name or any text into your Kali Linux terminal. So for that you have to install this package. So first you have to type the command, and all the commands are given in description. So apt-get space install space figlet. After completing this, open files. In files, select other locations, click here in other location. Okay, in this computer, open computer. In this you can see etc folder. In this you can see bash.bashrc file. Open that, double click on that, open. So in this you will getting this notepad. So at the end, go to the end of this file. So here at the end you have to type figlet, then space, open double quotes, and inside the double quote you have to write the text which you want to display in the notepad, your terminal. So open double quotes and write the text which you want to display, and close the double quote. And after typing this, save this and close. Okay, now open new terminal. So in new terminal you can see the text. Yes, here you can see the text which you typed there. So thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.